Welcome to my new intro.
Every single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day, I'm gonna make.
So hello, what's up guys? What's up, guys? And I don't know some day with another banger. I don't know when life with Kurgood has said banger. She mean banger. Banger. So yes, people, now today I am going to talk about Gio and Ken and Nikki and Klein. So people, when me tell you to say them change the game for YouTube, I mean say them change the YouTube game. Yeah people, this a genius move. This is a genius move. Uno know say them couple are smarter than we think. Them very smart. And them say go hard or go home. Extremities. You understand? You know say the next prank them a get to the world because me no say it's a prank. You understand? But at the end of the day, guys, they are genius. If you come up with this idea, you understand? It's a genius move, man. Them set the game. Yo, them need respect pan another level. You understand? Respect pan a next level, people. You understand? When I say respect pan a next level, I mean respect pan another level. Look pan the couple them. Them all a drink out of one straw, they eat fries out of one. Yo, them change the game, people. You understand? Them change the game. This is what you call creativity. You understand? And me would have feel a way if me never jump on it. Yeah. Me would have feel a way if me never jump on it, can't talk about it. You understand? Because when people do greatness need to talk about. You see me? Because a lot of people sit down and talk about negative things and they don't talk about the positive. You understand? But once a YouTuber is great, we have to talk about it. They must set the game, man. Remember, say Nikki and Klein, you know, Gio and Ken, they are two of Jamaica biggest YouTuber who live in Jamaica. You understand? You don't know them almost hit the 500,000. And them are gonna hit it, you know. Them are gonna hit it. Them go hit the 500,000 and just don't go here say them hit 1 million. Yo, them change the game, man, people. Yo, this is what I love to see, guys. Controversy. You understand? This is a controversy, you know. I love it. Yeah. Go on with yourself, Ken. Go on with yourself, Nikki. Go on with yourself, Klein and Gio. I like it. You understand? Uno acting game up and point. You know? Anybody who come up with the idea, you see anyone who come up with the idea, uno deserve an award. Yeah, man, uno deserve an award. Hollywood wants soon. Trust me. Uno set the game. Me never see a YouTuber do something like this. Even if them do a prank with a one day something, then no go all out. You understand? But them a YouTuber, yeah, them set it. Them set it on another level, man. Them set it. Yeah. And respect, I forgive where it's due. You know? Yeah. But I have to come talk about it. A greatness this. So people, I want to comment down below and tell me what you take on this excellent idea that these two YouTube couple come up with. I want to tell me what y'all take on it. You understand? You need to comment load up the comment section, and remember guys, leave a like, press by the like button, come realize a lot of uno, when you come, uno watch but uno don't like, uno afraid of the like button not do no nothing. You understand? Yeah. Don't be afraid to click on the like button. I mean, no, someone don't feel bad because the thumbs down sign now sure. So uno like it, but uno the thumbs down. You understand? But people want to leave some comment what uno think about it. You know what uno think about it. For me, guys, I love these YouTubers. I never miss them video now. Even if I miss them video, I always go back and watch it because you see me. I like to watch bigger YouTuber and learn a thing or two from them. You understand? Me like spread my wings. You see me? Yeah. If you stay in a one little pack, you're not gonna bust out. Or you go bust out. Even if you plant a flowers or anything, you catch it in a one small pot. Though when the flowers start growing, you have to take it out of the small pot and put it in a one bigger pot. Think about what I just said. If you plant something, you might catch the sucker in a small pot. But once it starts to grow, you have to take it out of the small pot. Because if you take it out of the small, if you don't take it out of the small pot, it will stifle the tree and it not grow. You understand? Yeah, because every root now bust through and start grow in the earth. You see me? But once you put it in the bigger pot, it start bust. You know? Yeah. So that's what I'm telling you, say, me just take page out a bigger YouTuber book. You understand? Yeah. After I'm not perfect, I just watch and observe things that them do. Look what they, me I listen to Ivani and what she say, she just watch so and so thing, and when she did do a prank about the pregnancy and thing, she said she feel a way because she don't want her followers them leave her because she pranked them. No, it's a prank world. Once they're on YouTube, it's a prank world. So it's a stupid person. But that's somebody prank and say, me not follow them no more now, man, because they decided that. Me, no, I still a follow no. I still a follow no. Yeah, I don't know about people. I love Ivan, you know. I love Ivan bad. I love her. Yeah, and she said she does watch them too. You know? Yeah, if you learn more how to do our YouTube video. So people, move on to the spam up the comment section, and when you come through guys, move on to the subscribe to the channel. Move on to share the channel. I want to tell a friend about life with Curry Good as people. Because me didn't have to jump on this. I wake up, I'm saying, you know what? You know, so me going to talk about this. Me going to talk about this, you know. You understand? Because greatness I have to talk about. You see me? I mean, so people talk about this a lot. People talk about it, but not a lot. Like, oh, what day when everybody talk about the man mother when she passed away and stuff like that. You see me I say? No, they don't talk about it. Remember saying, you know, people push more negative than positive, you know. And this for them people I do a genius move. I know some YouTubers say, shit. Oh, me never think about this, to do this. You know, think so. I know a heap of YouTubers say, oh, me never think about that idea, yeah. I mean, no, enough of them would have shit, them could have drink out of one straw with Ken. And with Nikki, cause remember them girl look good, you know, look good girl them, you know. Girl them look good, you know. Yo, I say I love how Nikki cock it up over there, so I love how she cock it up over from Gia, you know. I don't wrong here, Nikki. I saw now to do. You don't see when the actor them a act. You don't see when them a act. When they are Hollywood, you know, I act them big actor. You don't see them do everything. Oh, and money the people them make. You think them business about, you know? I mean, I want to talk about say them a go through extreme and what them a do us. No, it's all about acting. You understand? Me no says it's a prank. You understand? But it's entertaining for me. I actually like the excitement. I like it because it's creative. It's very creative. And what I want to tell them say, keep up the good works. Keep it up. I'm not gonna reach 1 million. Not because my channel small, Me want them reach 1 mil because them a put out the work. You understand? Cause what people don't understand, you know. You see the more um one Jamaican get on top is the more country people know more about the country and we get, you know? Yeah. Same like Shane and Layla the other day. Liana, if I pronounce her name wrong. Congratulations on the 1 mil. You see me? But just go and big up on yourself, guys. Thank you for watching this video. Hope you guys enjoy. Please remember to like, comment, subscribe, and so bye guys. I am out.